Hey, what's up YouTube? This is JR Sabun. I've been growing out my beard for about over 4 months now. I've been growing up the top of my hair for the same amount of time. I shaved it all off to a 2 and I have patchy areas in my beard that you can't really see because it's been covered. Underneath here I have a patch. I have this that doesn't really go in. I don't think anything will ever grow in there. I have 2 patches here, one here that doesn't fill in, and there's one here also. With my beard, it looks decently full for an Asian guy, I guess. I'm Filipino. But underneath here, it's not as full as this side. So this side is a little bit more full. If you're an Asian guy or just a guy who's trying to grow out their beard and having trouble, I don't know what to say. I don't know why I have this beard, whereas my brothers, they don't have much facial hair. I do have some theories. When I was in grade 9, I used to clean shave my face even without having anything there visible. I also had eczema or eczema, I don't know, whatever you call it, on my face, and I had to use ointments on there, which are corticosteroids. So I don't know if that helped to actually give me a beard, or if that is the reason why I have patches, because I had some areas where I had eczema. But however, this video is the start of my journey to try to get a more full beard. I do have 3 things that I want to try to make it a little bit more full. Everyone wants a full beard. Some people just want a beard. I'm fortunate enough to have some facial hair. I do want it to be thicker, so I'm going to try these 2 things that theoretically should help, but in many cases I guess there's a very small success rate. So my first thing I'm going to try is biotin supplements. It's supposed to help with nail and hair growth. Unfortunately, you can't control where the growth is going to be. It might be in like top of your hair, wherever else you have hair, and your nails might start to grow a little quicker, so you will have to do more grooming. However, I think since I am trying to go to top, I'm the back of it ponytailed right now. Right now it's around 3 inches, I would say. Been going for almost 5 to 6 months. I can't really gauge. I don't remember which day I had it completely bald, but I'm trying to go so I could do a full man bun, kind of like samurai style. I've had so many days where I wanted to fade it out, because as a barber, you know, I'm giving out these tight fades. I'm seeing my colleague give out these tight fades, and it's making me want to question my journey. But however, I'm going to try biotin supplements. This one's only in the 5,000. There's some that are lower, 2,500, or 500. So I decided to just do the 5,000 amount and see if they'll do anything. My next thing is this beard growth oil that I found in this supply store that I usually get my supplies from. It's in Mississauga. I'm from Toronto. It's on Matheson and here in Ontario. If you're ever there, it's where the Burger King and Mandarin is. If you don't know Mississauga, then unfortunately that's all I can give you. It's Uncle Jimmy. It's the beard growth oil. It says it'll grow full beards, fill in patches, and hydrate. In the ingredients, it's a lot of different oils, so hopefully, theoretically, this will work. I'll try to put this on like, I think once a day. So this plus this once a day, biotin. We'll see how that works. And lastly, I bought minoxidil from Costco. If you're lucky enough to have a Costco near you, I would suggest to pop by and look at their supplement section. If you do know Rogaine, it's the main ingredient in Rogaine. But this one is a lower dose, and it's a topical treatment. There are other ways where you could get minoxidil. You could take it orally. However, you are not focusing on a specific area, so you might grow in other areas that you don't want to be growing. That's why I chose a topical treatment. It's only a 2% solution. There's some that are 9%. I don't want to go overboard, so I decided just to try the 2%. I'm gonna try to fill these areas in, and hopefully get a thicker thicker beard. It looks decent right now because, I don't know, I think I just put some oil on. It looks even better when it's a little bit more wet, so I guess that oil make it look a little bit more full. I do have areas on my scalp that I do eventually, or my hairline I do want to eventually try the minoxidil on. I might do another video on that, or I might just do it together. Who knows? But right now, I'm trying out these three things to hopefully grow a fuller beard. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, you know, at least I tried. But I know for the minoxidil, they do recommend that you do try it for at least 6 months. I just got a 2-month supply, so I'm gonna have to buy another 2 for the minimum 6 months. It's not too expensive. I think this was only around $30. So you're looking around, or $60. So it's either like $30 or $15 or $30 a month that you're really spending it on, and this was only like $15. It's a 2-month supply. This was also around $10. This should last you quite a while. So yeah, this is JR Sabun. I'm on my journey to grow my beard out. It looks decent right now. I might trim it a little bit. I might completely chop it off just so you guys see how it looks, my growth. But it's gonna be hard to let go of this. It looks decent right now on this video, to be honest, but let's see how it goes. So hopefully all you people, all you men out there and teenagers, you know, who are trying to grow out their beard, especially teenagers, I think right now is the best time for you guys to take advantage of this. Try to do what I did. I just kept shaving every now and then when I was in grade 9, you know, when puberty hits, when your hormonal levels are peaking. So try that out if that works for you. Hopefully it does. I'm not entirely sure why I have a beard, to be honest, because if you look at my family history, if you look at my brothers, my uncles, even my grandparents, on both sides of my family, there's no one with a beard that I could think of or that I've met. So I'm fortunate enough to have something at least. But there are times, you know, where this gets really annoying when you're trying to sleep, you know, and then you got the blanket pushing this up, and this gets caught in your jacket. You get food stuck in there. But it does make me look slightly older, more mature, or, you know, makes me look like more of a samurai. And I am actually getting samurai tattoos, so I'm stoked about that. I'll probably do another video of that. This video is slightly long, it's around 8 minutes, but hopefully I gave enough input or suggestions. And you know what, it's just the start of the journey, and hopefully I could get a fuller beard, and with my testimonial or my journey, if I do get a fuller beard, maybe you guys could do the same with the things I did. So it's also important to maintain the beard by you know, you do have to conditioner it too. It's not just top of your head. Hair is hair, right? So you gotta keep it healthy. So that's my game plan. And yeah, JR Sabun. You can find me on Instagram. It's JRSABBUN at Instagram. I'm a barber from Mississauga. I just started cutting around a few years ago, and I'm on my journey to open up my own barbershop. Shout out to all the barbers out there. Shout out to all people watching this. So hopefully this will be alright. Alright? Peace.